Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a wonderful little find that I thought all of you would be interested in seeing. There's so many things you can do on keto, on Optavia, on low carb, whatever diet you're following with this little gadget. So I wanted to pass it along and show you, and I did purchase this through Bed Bath & Beyond. I know Amazon sells it. There's a ton of places that sell it. So let's get to it, and I hope you like it. Let me introduce you to the Dash Mini Griddle. That's, I guess, what it's called. Here's the size of my hand, and here is my little gadget here. This they sell all over the place, online, in stores, and it's a griddle. Look at this little baby griddle. Here's my hand. That's how tiny it is. I would say it's probably about the size of the bottom of a coffee cup. They do sell it like this, the griddle, the flat surface, and they also sell it in a waffle maker. Why I love this little guy is because, number one, it's under $15, and that is a great price for it. But it's also great for single serving, and in my house, not everybody follows keto, not everybody follows Optavia. So for me, this is just a great little gadget, and today I'm going to show you what I am going to be making for myself. This is the Dash, I guess you can see it right here, Mini Griddle, this is called. Again, if you're looking it up online. This is in the aqua blue color. I know this is a difficult color to find, but it was my favorite. I know it comes in pink and red and black and I believe white, but I just love this little guy. So basically, I'll show you what we do. So we're gonna plug it in to the wall here. And the light turns blue. And when the light goes out, that's how you know it's ready to go. It doesn't really specify in the instructions whether or not you should spray it with anything. It does kind of look non-stick, but I did do one little zoot of olive oil spray. So we're going to wait for this to get heated up, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to make. Guys, while this little guy is heating up, I figured I would tell you some of the things I have made in here. You can make eggs in here. You can, crack an egg, scramble it up, pour it in, and you have a tiny little round egg when it's done, and you can put that on an oopsie roll, and you can make an egg sandwich out of that. You can do potatoes. You can make, and I know potatoes aren't keto, but if you're following Optavia, we have the mashed potatoes. Oh, I've put on sliced turkey and some cheese, and you can fold it over and press it in the griddle. Kind of makes like the inside of a panini. You can kind of do anything that you would do on a frying pan, and if you're not in the mood for all of that, it's just a great little gadget. So we're waiting for it to turn off, and the light has turned off, so let me show you what we're gonna make. So in this bowl, I have my Optavia mashed potatoes. Again, if you're not following the plan, you can use this for a million other reasons. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So I'm pretty much just going to open it up, guys, and load it up. And it kind of comes out like a potato pancake. I do 2 of these. I leave some extra, so I'm going to close it and let it cook, and when this light comes back on, it'll be done. So I'll be back to show you. Oh, here it goes. When the light goes back out, then we know it's done. So the light just came on, it's cooking, and we'll be right back. All right, so doing it into 2 little ones isn't gonna work because of the size. So I literally just emptied the bowl, stuck everything in here. It's quite high, so hopefully when I close it, oh yeah, there, that's better. So we're going to close this little guy up, and when that light goes out, let's see what we've got. The light literally just went out as I turned my camera on, so we're going to open it. Yeah! So I can see right here the edges are still not fully cooked, so I'm going to try to flip this over, even though I guess technically it's not necessary. Maybe I should just let it cook a little longer. But I want to kind of flip it and see. It's going to be hot. Ah, hot, 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 hot. All right, I'm flipping it. And I'm going to close it again. And let's see how we do with another cycle. So be back in a couple seconds, guys. So the light should be going out anytime soon. Starting to smoke a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Hey guys, you know what else would be this would be good for? See, the light just went out. This would be great for your keto pancakes and any recipes that you have. And if you're on Optavia, you can use the pancake mix for this. So it's so versatile depending on what you follow. Truthfully, obviously, you can use this for anything. So anyway, I just wanted to show you how I incorporate this little guy into my daily eating. So if you have one of these little mini dash griddles or waffle irons or whichever one you have, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear things that you've made with it. Please send me some comments because I'm really curious to see how else I can use this little guy. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this little find, and I will see you in my next video. Stay focused, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.